So today I'm gonna talk to you all about some traits of what you need to be successful in network marketing. And so if you're not familiar with network marketing, it's a big word, but all it is just, it's a franchise opportunity for the average ordinary person to where they can align with a company with products that they like, love, and trust. So that's all it is. Just instead of you have to spend the $30, $40, $50,000 for like different, like a Subway or a McDonald's franchise, which some of these go up to the millions, you're only putting up like $100 to $200 a month, depending on what type of company you're with and what type of product you have. And so this training actually comes from last night when we were on our accountability call with our other people in our company. And so these are the 5 most common sabotages of success. Even though we were actually talking about for weight loss and sticking to your goals, it's the same in business also. And so the first one is all or nothing thinking. And so with this, you'll use it. Some people, and I used to do this real bad, work real hard. Then like after 3 or 4 days, oh, this don't work. Then just it snowballs into me not doing anything for like months. So that is really bad. All or nothing thinking. The second one is having negative issues around money or business itself. So like if you're someone who's like, oh, if you hear something, then the first thing that comes to your mind is it's a scam.